everybody, and welcome to the Quadcopter Review. I'm your host, Pepe Prawns, and today we're going to do our mid-October haul. We got a bunch of stuff in. Basically too much stuff, actually. Had to pull back on it, but we got a whole bunch of things we're going to be looking at. Yes, I've heard, and I am reacting to the need. I have gotten a mic and a stand and a little sound blocker doohickey thingy. I've also got some field headset to record on my iPhone while I'm flying instead of dubbing over. I also have an SQ13 that we're going to be looking at. Nice little mini cam. I do lots of mini cams, so you've seen that before. We're going to do us another one. I've also got the Armor 85 Plus, nice little brushed quad, 85mm. We're going to check that out. That is the Plus version. There was an Armor out before, but there's a little bit different about this one. I think you're going to like the changes to this one. I'm hoping I will, but as you can see, it's not open, so we'll see. We also got ourselves finally a little competition for the 300 mAh 1S series HV batteries. We're going to take a look at those. Crazy Pony has now made a 300 mAh battery, so we are going to have another 300 on the market that we can check out and give a try, so we'll do that as well. These are really popular battery right now, and I think having more options out there is going to be super handy for us. Now I also got a fill light also for filming, so I can film a little bit more myself and not have dark shadows over it. So a lot of studio stuff here, not necessarily in the review, but a lot of important things I think you guys will appreciate, hopefully, going forward. I didn't spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars, but I spent some money to try to improve that. Now I have a bunch of brushed quads coming in as well. So I have the Happy Model Mobula 75, and that is a 2S 75mm loop that's going to be coming in. That's already ordered and on its way, so hopefully that'll be here timely as well. I did pay for express, we can get that. I also have the King Kong Tiny GT7, and we also have the King Kong Tiny GT8. I also have another 1S brushed model coming that I'm interested in because it has a higher kV motor than the UR65, and the UR65 being so great, I thought it'd be nice to see how this one flies as well. So that's our big haul here for the middle. We just got through the big beta epi haul that we had, and we also got through our Acro B haul that we had. Hopefully some of these things I'll let you know on the giveaway if these things are added to it. But I just wanted to let you guys know that all these things were coming, so look forward to them. Stay subscribed, tell your friends, let everybody know about the giveaway. It's really not taken off as well as I thought. I mean, YouTube's a fickle little beast as far as getting your videos seen. If you're not the god and have hundreds of thousands of subscribers, it is very difficult to get anyone to see anything. So have to rely on everybody's word of mouth. So if you could spread the word when you're on other Discords, just keep it in mind. Let people know if they're complaining about their broken quads. So hey, come into the contest. Maybe you'll win one. Or if they're saying, hey, I want to buy one for my kid, then come into the contest. Maybe you'll win one. But anyways, as always, guys, thanks for coming and checking this out, and talk to you soon with more videos. Happy flying. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying.